Hi, I'm Kate Brown,
I'm Mrs. Allen.
and we want to welcome you to virtual learning. Virtual learning is a lot like learning in the classroom. We're going to use a lot of the same things, like ST Math, Clever, Freckle. We'll still do tests on Evaluate. The biggest difference is that we have meetings on Google Meet every single day, multiple times a day. That's how we're going to teach you. So there will be times that you log into Google Meet using a code, and there will be times that you work independently on assignments. A lot of our assignments are on Google Classroom. When you're learning at school and you need help, you raise your hand and the teacher comes to help you. During virtual learning, it works a little bit differently. If we're in a meeting, you can definitely ask us for help. But if we're not in a meeting, you're going to have to email us and include a screenshot of what you need help with. We've made another video for that, so you can see how to email us and get the help you need.
Hello, new friends. I'm going to show you how to send and reply to an email. This is an important part of being a virtual learner because if you need help, you need to email Mrs. Allen or Kay Brown to be able to get that help if we're not in one of the help classrooms. So you will need to open the Gmail app. It's a little white envelope with a red M on it. When you open that app, you will see a button that says Compose and has a pencil next to it. Click on that. Where you see my cursor flashing, that's the to box. So you would need to type Kay Allen, and you could click on my name, and or Kay Brown and click on her name if you needed help. You could also email your regular classroom teachers if you needed them too. So then, this part where it says from, that just tells us which email address it's coming from. One really important part is to make sure your email includes a subject. So if you had a question about ST Math, you would title your email ST Math. And then down here where it says compose email, that's where you type your message. So I might say, I am having trouble logging in with my password. And then one thing we need you to do anytime you email us asking for help is to send a screenshot. So to attach a screenshot, you would click on this sideways paperclip up here, and then your camera roll shows up. So we're going to pretend that this volleyball rotation is my screenshot. So when you click on it, it's going to put it right in your email. And then to send it, you are going to click that sideways blue triangle. Whenever you are replying to an email, you don't have to start a whole new one. So this email from Miss Wallace right here is the one I have open. I don't need to start a new email to reply. I can just click on this backwards looking arrow right over here and then start typing above the rest of the words and say, thanks for the information. And then I could push send. And then I'm all done.
We've also made a video to show you what time you need to be in each Google Meet and what the code is to get there. In addition to that, we have your guided reading schedule for you. We will show you if you are in Miss Allen's guided reading groups or my guided reading groups, and also what you'll be doing during guided reading when you're not in a live meeting with us. This is what your alarm page should look like after you've set each of your alarms. Keep in mind, if you are a third grader, your codes will be CPE 3 instead of CPE 4. The next part of this video shows you how to set up your alarms so that they do look like this.
Hi again, virtual friends. We are going to go through another video that will help you be successful as a virtual learner. So we have lots of meetings during the day that it's very important that you are on time for. So I'm going to teach you how to set alarms for all of those meetings. You want to open the app called Clock, and then make sure you're on the Alarm tab down at the bottom. Then you'll click on the plus sign in the top right corner, right underneath the battery. And your first alarm needs to be for 7:59 a.m. And you want to repeat this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And you should call this one morning meeting. At 8 o'clock every day, you will log into our Google Meet with the code GLITTER so we can give you some instructions and you have a chance to talk with your friends.
This is a video to show you how to find out which meetings you need to be in each day and at what time. First, you will open Google Classroom. Then you will open the K. Brown and Allen virtual room. Anytime you go to a Google Classroom, you're going to want to click on Classroom at the bottom middle, or Classwork. That's where everything is organized by topics. So you can see at the bottom we have old assignments, extra information, reference, our daily check-ins, and weekly planners. What I want to show you right now is our weekly planner. I will click on K. Brown Weekly Planner. 4th grade, you would click on Miss Allen's Weekly Planner. 3rd graders click on K. Brown's Weekly Planner, and you open the link. Here you can see the weekly planner. At the top, there's a tab for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Each day, it tells you what time you need to be in a Google Meet, and in parentheses, it shows you the meeting code. So at 8 o'clock, we start our day on Google Meet with the meeting code GLITTER. 8:15 to 9:15 is guided reading groups. At 10:35, we do ELA. 3rd grade will use the code CPE3 to join the Google Meet. 4th grade will use the code CPE4. At 12:35, we have another Google Meet. 3rd grade will use CPE3 to learn math, and 4th grade will use CPE4 to learn math. At 2 o'clock, we have a Go Noodle break. We all come together in our Glitter classroom to move and shake. You'll join that Google Meet with the meeting code GLITTER. At 2:10, we have our science meeting. 3rd graders will use CPE3 to log in. 4th graders will use CPE4. Each day is the same schedule, except on Fridays when we have early out Fridays. We will meet in the weekly assembly meeting using the code GLITTER at 1:40, and then school's over at 2:05. Also, on this weekly planner, you can find the guided reading schedule. On the tabs on the side, I'm Done gives you a list of things you could do if you finish work early. Guided reading schedule is where we show you what you should be doing during guided reading. Mrs. Allen and I will assign you to a red, yellow, green, or blue group. Mrs. Allen's group joins live meetings with her initials KA and the color of your group. So red would join with KA red at 8:15. Yellow joins with KA yellow at 8:30. Green joins KA green at 8:45. And blue joins KA blue at 9 o'clock. The same is true for my groups, except you'll use my initials, KB for Courtney Brown. Red group will join at 8:15 using the meet code KB Red. Yellow at 8:30, KB Yellow. Green at 8:45, KB Green. And blue at 9 o'clock, KB Blue. You can see looking at this chart that we switch stations every 15 minutes. During Spelling City, you will log in through Freckle and complete your assignments. For Epic, you'll use our code. Our code is included at the bottom of this page. If you're a 4th grader, Mrs. Allen's Epic code is at the bottom of her weekly planner. And our Freckle codes are at the bottom of our page as well. Mrs. Allen's Freckle code is at the bottom of her 4th grade weekly planner. The weekly planner is a great place to go if you're not sure what time to be somewhere or what the meeting code is. The next video we have for you will show you how to set alarms on your iPad so that you can be sure you're going to the right meeting on time every day. Whether you're only here for a few days or maybe staying with us a little longer, we're excited to have you in virtual learning.